They've been trying to break us up, but we're still strong. So many obstacles, but we'll weather the storm. Facing this life hate on. And in your arms, baby, is where I call home. And the busy trying to break us up. They're jealous of the life we got, and they ain't got the life we got. Cause you love me and them not.
You're my choice, you're my option. No more questions, I just know a passion. The way work us on the pass a pressure. She gon' the jagos, till it up with face. Baby, sangari was good in the mesa. I'm a jealousy. I'm a jealousy. Whoa, yeah.
Elungangishiye mayitali ngobazoba yifani yazothanda ufuna imali but idalunga wathi. Today she called wathi mina nimenzi happy. So baby bengicela mangishingi angry cause nguwe wedwa onenza be happy. Jithi muthi and late.
I'm a jealousy. Whoa, yeah. No.
Mama get to love us over my hey, love us over my lovey. Tell us love you, tell us about to go and get spumele. I ain't get spumele, get spumele. I just go to Tando to lose a sister to pay, to buy.
So in happy ganjan, bakufika kutani. So kufiki khosa wethu, basopa kanjani. Kule hit songeni, sifike ngotani. Abantwana bakhona, naluthando lukhona. Nale mali siyayifuna, uninzi bazosikhola. Bawena uzobona, uthando luzobona.
Na tilili mosubala na ungaselela babafa na from Dubai to Botswana na nsokutolela khona ngathi bayamangasa banomona kuliba wina ndiwo Wangakay kadona ndiwo phela makulote kama khona.
Be my baby, still my baby. You're my lady and that's for eternity. Her they still shine, let's wish you luck. Your love gets me high like six pop.
They wanna see us failing, but your love is still falling. I ain't joking. They wanna look and deal with baby, yeah. They wanna look and deal with baby, yeah. We go fly to Dubai.
I'm a nigga, but I'm in a good to do and it's a mina now, baby. I am in a baby. Go to Tando to mama get to love us over my hey, love us over my lovey. Tell us love you, tell us about to go and get spumele. I ain't get spumele. I just go to Tando to lose a sister to pay, to buy.
Yeah, this one goes out to all the people that are facing predicaments in their relationships right now. A-Same allow collaboration. The way to go, nigga. Yeah. It is what it is, G.
Ukaninginako